Hi, Kieran here again. Now in this video I'm going to be going through the desktop app for Easy Video Suite. Now the desktop app for Easy Video Suite is a very simple tool but extremely powerful, and that's what Easy Video Suite represents and is the vision of Josh Bartlett: simple yet powerful. Okay, so what we have here is this is the main center for the conversions of videos, and I'm going to grab some videos to put into here, and I've got 4 different file types here. And the very good thing about the Easy Video Suite is that it can actually convert videos to web-ready videos, ready to play on any device: your laptop, your desktop, your tablets, your smartphones, just with drag and drop. And we're going to do that now, and I'll take this WMV file, drag and drop into the areas to convert. Now you can actually take multiple files and process them in here as well, so I'll demonstrate that. And there we go. And so we can actually upload and convert them in Q. So what I'm going to do is click on this one here, which is FB3. Now I can rename the video, and we'll call this Facebook webinar replay. And there it is, it's been changed over for the name. Now the upload button here, this is going to go through a process. There's the progress indicator there, 5%, and that'll just process through. It's a semi-large file, and that will convert the video through to an MP4 web-ready, highly optimized for any device for playback online. Now the really cool thing about Easy Video Suite is that while it goes through this rendering process, this conversion process, it's actually creating multiple versions at different screen resolutions designed for every device out there. As I mentioned, the laptop, desktop, tablet and smartphone. And it's invisible in the background. This process is happening right now, but as a user they don't see that. Now when it gets played back on the website, when you've embedded it on your website via Easy Video Suite, Easy Video Suite will intelligently detect the device that you're watching it on and serve the best available quality video to that device in real time. Very, very powerful. And you know, think about this. Handbrake. No longer do we need Handbrake. No longer do we need to muck around with the settings of Handbrake. No longer do we need to create multiple different files using Handbrake and adjust and change the settings and hope that we got it right. We don't have to do that anymore. All we do, and as you can see here, we dragged it and dropped it. Now this is the WMV file. Remember, WMV, and it's getting converted to a web-ready video. Now the other thing, I haven't changed it down below here. You can actually save a copy of this file. There it is. Now it's uploading to my Easy Video Suite dashboard, and that's what we'll talk about in a little while. So we could save it as a local on our local hard drive, and I have done that, so that's down here. Now this slider here, this slider is relating to the quality of the video. So you can either have the quality up here for the highest screen resolution, or down here the smallest screen resolution. And anywhere in the middle here works perfectly fine. I'm playing with a few different settings as I play with the Easy Video Suite, and they're all coming out with excellent web-ready videos, MP4, and everything is ready to go. No more Handbrake, no more mucking around and wasting time. It's all here. Okay, I'm going to stop that because I don't want to process it for this video, and so we just hit the delete key. That's fine. So we've got three files left. Now, if we wanted to edit any of these, and let's say we take this one here, we can go and hit this edit button, and that's going to bring up the simple editor. So as well as record, which I'll show you in a moment, we can actually edit this video. So if we want to take out, you know, the start of it, and we just hit cut here, and that will remove the section. If we wanted to move that to the end and we wanted to adjust and cut off the end, and we just hit cut, we can adjust that, and it will also play back that section of video. So we just hit play, and we've got a preview player right here. And if we're finished with it, we just hit finish. And if we don't want it anymore, we just hit cancel, and that'll take us back to our desktop app. Now, the other thing is that this Easy Video Suite desktop app is a recorder. So let's click on this. So as well as grabbing videos from our desktop, we don't need this anymore, we can grab videos from our desktop, or we can record using Easy Video Suite. Now, Easy Video Suite can record from your screen, and we'll do that in a moment, and it can record from your web camera. Now, if you do not have a webcam on your computer, it will not display this button. It will only display this button. As mine does have a web camera, this button gets displayed. So I'm going to demonstrate the recording of the screen, and we can move this about the screen here, and inside the recorder is a drawing and annotation tool, whiteboard, which is very, very powerful, and the features are shown down here. So what I'm going to talk about first of all is the size of this screen recording, because this is the screen recording area, and let's see what size it's listed at, 718 by 438. Now if I wanted to change settings, and say if I wanted 720 by 360, and I set the size, and it adjusts the size. Now also we've got a button here, lock aspect ratio, so I'm going to set that. I think that adjusted there. I want 720. Oh, actually it was on lock aspect, so let's take lock aspect off. I want 720 by 360. I'm going to go set size, there it is. And I'm going to go back in here, and I'm going to click lock aspect, so that's locked in. Okay, so that's fine. Now I can actually increase this screen size by dragging it here, and the aspect ratio is kept the same. So you see the aspect ratio, so that's very, very powerful, very simple. So I'm going to use the drawing tool, and that brings up a range of these tools here. So right now I can click draw. Oh, there we go. And that was my circle. That is my circle. I am a person who can draw great circles, and also I want to draw some sun or some eyelashes, I could say, maybe. And awesome. Okay, so there's my awesome art, and maybe I don't want that recording on the screen. Maybe I want it on a white canvas, and so in the white canvas I'm going to clear the screen. In here I'm going to change the thickness of my drawing tool, that's fine, and in here I can demonstrate to people how, you know, anything works. So if I was talking about a squeeze page, and I had a video here, and I had the opt-in form here with the fields, that's fine, and then I had some copy here, and then I wanted to point out something else, and so we'll just, you know, and then so I can fully demonstrate to somebody using this whiteboard, this drawing tool, and it's called Just Draw, and that is built into Easy Video Suite, and it's absolutely a dream to use. Now I haven't actually pushed record yet, so let's clear the screen and do a little recording. So clear, And what I'm going to do is switch off the canvas, and I'm going to record. We'll record, say, 10 seconds. Let's go to countdown there. And here we are, we're recording this section of the screen here. And so what I'm going to do is turn on drawing. I believe drawing is on, yes. Now I don't want that, I want a different color, so clear, and let's go for green, and that's awesome. And now fantastic. And we'll also use a little bit of a whiteboard. We'll put some yellow in there as well. Okay, so we'll stop that recording. Now that brings up this file here, Capture 002. So I can upload that, and that will convert. You see it's very quick. That was a short video, and that is converting to a web ready file, which will be uploaded to my EVS account, and then I'll be able to publish it online. So that is something which is very powerful, and that will process in a moment. Now when I go up the top, I can get the drawing tool, which is called Just Draw, and over to our left here I can actually have the drawing tool used even when I'm not recording. So right now it's set, and I can point out that this here is the video that's being uploaded that I just recorded a few moments ago, and this is the progress. So we have over here, this is uploading to my EVS account, and here's the progress bar, 44%, that'll process through. And behind here we also have a YouTube button, so when this gets fully uploaded, we'll have a look at YouTube. But YouTube integration, this is able to publish your videos directly to YouTube from within Easy Video Suite. So that is a very, very neat feature. So you can just add your video title, your video description details, and set that up, and it will integrate directly to your YouTube account. Okay, so it's almost processing there, and we can actually delete. Well, I'll switch off drawing. We can delete these files here. I just hit the delete key. That's fine, and I'll just pause the video. Oh no, it's cranking along, so it's almost there. So this is going to be something which will be shown in the dashboard, and we notice the name of the file is called Capture 002. That's what I left it at, just as a default, but shortly it will be uploaded into Easy Video File Suite. Now something I'm going to demonstrate when this is ready and when this is done is the preferences menu, which I will bring up now. Easy Video Suite has 3 different preferences once the video has finished uploading. So that's processing there, it's at 92%. Now what I've got mine set on is that this will put the URL to the video that's been uploaded into my clipboard, so we can see it's finished now. And so I'm going to bring up a Firefox browser, and we will see that this video is ready to play already on the page. So we'll bring up Firefox, which we can see is here, and we're going to paste in because that went to the clipboard, and here it is. Bring up the page, capture, and here's my video down there. And here we are, we're recording this section of the screen here, and so what I'm going to do is turn on drawing. I believe drawing is on, yes. Now I don't want that, I want a different color, so clear, and let's go for green, and Alright, so I'll pause that there. So that's got the player, very basic player, very basic page, and this is something which has just been fast and efficiently set up. We haven't even visited the dashboard to create this page. So if you were doing a screencast for somebody with a problem with their computer and you wanted to share that video quickly and efficiently, Easy Video Suite will allow you to do that. So let's have a look at those other features which in the preferences setting for Easy Video Suite dashboard. And so we could actually have grabbed the embed code, which will allow us, it'll put it into the clipboard, and that will be readily available for you to add to your website, your WordPress or your HTML site. So it goes to the clipboard. Alternatively, after the video has finished, you could have directed yourself directly to the Easy Video Suite dashboard. So very powerful tools, very neat. I've chosen the send back the URL for the uploaded video, so that's all good there. Alright, so we'll close that down, and so this video has been recorded. It will be in my file in the web-based dashboard, and that's where we'll go to next. So we'll see you in the next video. This is Kieran McDonough from Easy Video Suite.